Saw news this week that a man was denied his testosterone prescription at a Walgreens in California.
Hi, I'm Ethan, I'm a pharmacist. I was tagged. Let's discuss this. In the original video, the creator was stating that a patient was denied a testosterone prescription because it didn't have a diagnosis, and that the pharmacist was asking the patient what the diagnosis was. So for those that may not know, testosterone is actually considered a controlled medication. And depending on the state, I can only speak for Rhode Island because that's where I work, it is required to have a diagnosis on there. But in this case, the pharmacist should be asking the doctor, and the provider who wrote the prescription should have a diagnosis on there. What sometimes happens is that providers, they'll just put a diagnosis on there to get the medication covered. That's maybe why the creator didn't see a diagnosis on their prescription, because it may have been sent electronically. Or when the pharmacist received it, they checked with the doctor just to have a diagnosis down. But at the end of the day, the pharmacist should have just checked with the provider instead of denying the prescription.